All right. So this is chapter 7 review. Okay, so whenever you see stuff like this, first thing you should do is draw a triangle. That's going to be the common theme for everything. Draw a triangle. I'm going to say, hey, what you do? Draw a triangle. Especially if you don't have one, you need to draw a triangle. Doesn't matter the shape, just make sure you put everything where it goes. So let me see. If I draw a triangle like this here, and I have, let's see, A, B, C. So I put everything where they go. And
you put like C instead of little c.
A, B, C. And then I'm going to put little c here, little b here, and little a here. Give me 1 second, all right? I know what you're getting at, but I'm not there yet. All right, so let's see what we have. We have a little b. We have a big B. And we have a little c. What do we have? Side, side, angle, or angle, side, side. Now, can we solve this using law of sines?
Yeah, we can.
We can, because we can, but this is, what was the word? Ambiguous, thank you. It is ambiguous, so I can solve for this. It is ambiguous, so that's going to tell me that I'm going to have how many triangles?
1 or 2?
1, 2, or
3. How many?
0. Do you guys remember that?
Yeah.
1, 2, or 0?
0, 1, 2.
All right. What do you think I should do with this?
Whoa. I mean, I know you're supposed to draw a triangle, but it looks like an upside down L, but they're like the white parts.
So let's see. Let's go ahead, draw this. So I'm going to label it A, B, C. Big A is 23 degrees, 10 minutes. Big B is 40 degrees, 20 minutes. Little a is 17.2. All right, can we solve for everything? What's the first thing I have to solve for? I can solve for big C, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. Solve for big C. Now, in your calculator, how we do this?
180 minus 180 degrees.
Minus what? And you also have to have what? DMS. So please put that in the calculator right now. So I know you guys are doing it, and I know you're not drawing, and I know I asked you that to be away already. No, I asked you to put it away, didn't I?
Wait, is it the highest number first, like 40 instead?
No, it should be 180. It doesn't matter. 180 has to go first, minus the other ones.
Okay.
116 degrees and 30 minutes.
116.30? You guys agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you actually do the math?
Yes.
Or are you just saying yes? Right where? Oh, okay. Okay. So, if it's 116, that means I can get rid of this and this, right? So what do we got to solve for now? Big B. Or little b, I'm sorry, little b, right? We solve for C, right? C is both this, that, and that, right? Okay, I can, but either way. Either way, it's still going to be fine. One of the answers is going to be right. Okay, so if you did it the other way, then yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this. So it's going to be 17.2 over sine of 23 degrees 10 minutes is equal to little b over sine of 40 degrees 20 minutes. And I know you guys are pushing these buttons. What is it?
28.3.
28.3. So my answer has to be C. So I don't have to find everything, I just have to eliminate the possibilities. Next one. Hey look, this one already has a triangle for me. Alright, so let's see, which one am I going to solve for first? Okay. Big C, right? How would I solve for big C? Very good. 180 minus all those. What do we get? 103? Okay, if it's 103, get rid of that one. Okay, so now what am I going to do? I'm going to solve for either little a or, yeah, little a and little b. Looks like little a would solve it. Okay, so let's do little a. So I'm going to do 26 sine of 103 degrees is equal to little a over sine of 26. A equals 26 times sine of 26 over sine of 103. So A $11.7. Yeah, it's A, 11.7, right? Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
I'm blind.
No worries. Me too.
What?
I'm not blind, I just see.
Oh no, you know it's fine.
Isn't that kind of blind?
I don't know.
Visually impaired. It's kind of like the visually impaired that keep drawing stuff instead of actually doing work. Yeah. So I understand if it was like an art project or something, he might be working on it, but no, he's just doodling. Like with great passion and not even try to do this. Keep waiting for him to pick up a calculator. It's not happening. What do I need to start by doing? Draw a triangle. Big A, 32 degrees, and little b is 19.6. All right, I drew the triangle. Find big B, right? That would be the start. But
4 degrees.
aren't I looking for the area?
But you need B to find the area, though.
Yeah, I am going to need B to find the area anyway. So I'm going to start by that. So big B is going to be
44 degrees on 15 minutes.
Don't you need 1/2 times?
Yeah, I'm going to, but I don't have enough sides. I need 2 sides to do that.
Wait, we do have 2. But
No, I only have 1 side so far.
Try to find A.
You want to find little a?
Yeah.
No, fine.
Which one are we supposed to use?
A, the closest one to B.
19.6 from before you for
No. Which one are we supposed to do?
C, right?
C. Largest. Remember it said we go with the largest angle?
Yeah.
Whenever it's solved for, you go for the largest angle. Alright, so I'm going to solve for little c. So, 19.6 over sine of 44 degrees 50 minutes is equal to little c over sine of 102 degrees 50 minutes. Little c is 19.6 sine of 102 degrees 50 minutes over sine of 44 degrees 50 minutes.
Degrassi, 27.1.
27.1?
You put the triangle DMS in that one or no?
No.
No, we just want the measure. DMS goes for what? Do you know what DMS stands for?
Degrees measure seconds.
Degrees minutes seconds. So that would be an angle measured in degrees minutes seconds. Okay, so we said 27 what? Alright, now that I have that, what do I have to do to find the area? I need to have something special to find the area.
That formula with 1, 2.
Yes. Okay, with 1 over 2, but
1 over 2 AC, wait, no, but BC sine of A.
yep, BC sine A. So, area is equal to 1/2. Now it would be BC, so it's going to be 19.6, 27.1 sine of 32 degrees, 20 minutes. I've actually put it away. It's still not going.
142.0, wait, 142. How big at 142.1? They wrong. No, it's 142.
Who's they and who got what?
It says 142.1, but I got 142.0.
142 point.
1 foot feet square.
Wouldn't it be B?
142, so the area is supposed to be this, right?
B, right?
You said 142. Everyone's saying 142, right?
Yeah, it is.
Now, there's the difference is because there was a rounding that happened. It's off by a tenth because we're rounding. It's off by a tenth because we're rounding. So if we didn't round earlier, we would not be off by that tenth. Okay, but then if it would have been 0.5, wouldn't that round it to the 0.1? So depending on what we rounded earlier, it might have been there. All right, right here, find the distance AB across the river. So what do you think I should start by doing here? Draw a triangle. Is there a recurring theme here? Find distance across the river. So watch, I'm going to do the river. Whoa, quick. And I need blue because it's a blue river. I know. Blue river right here. So I have a blue river here. And distance across. So I'm going to go here to here. Across, this is going to be AB. And BC is, this is 703. And it is, angle B is 105.4. C is 15.2. All right, find AB rounded to the nearest meter. So that means nearest whole number. All right, so what law am I going to use? Okay, let's find sine. But to be able to do law of sine, what do I got to find first? Say big A. Yes, got to find big A. Speaking of that, hey. What's up, my dudes?
I'm just having a hard time seeing.
Oh, you are? Maybe the sunglasses in a dark room.
Yeah, they're prescription though.
Okay.
I have no choice.
Dang it. All right. Chilling?
Yeah, alright.
You want to see my new stuff?
Yeah. What is this?
A gluten-free cookie.
Here.
Hmm? What?
Thank you.
What?
It's gluten free.
Yes.
That means it's not delicious.
I bet you it is. Narwhal, is it delicious?
Yes.
He poisoned it.
Narwhal, do you only eat gluten cookies? Gluten free cookies?
Yeah, that's wrong. It's not about what's in them.
I don't think. Have you ever eaten a gluten-free cookie before?
No.
Did he say it's a gluten-free
I'll take it.
noodle cookie?
Yes.
So Narwhal.
Okay. These are my new things.
It's got cinnamon in it.
Yes.
I'm allergic to cinnamon.
Oh.
You just poisoned him.
Okay.
My tongue clears.
Go die somewhere else now.
Can I upload it onto your?
I'm going to.
Is it like a...
So I'm kind of recording the lesson right now. No worries. All right. So, Big A. Who found Big A?
Yo, what if you pass it out?
That's my tongue. It's gonna swell up.
59.4? Thank you. 59.4. So now we have enough information to do law of sine, right? So it's going to be 703 over sine of 59.4 is equal to little c over sine of 15.2 degrees. C is equal to 703. Huh? What doesn't fit on the paper?
All these notes.
I'm sorry?
Well, I can't, or I wouldn't be writing them down.
Oh.
Everybody's smart like you, man.
Honestly,
Honestly, stop. You don't need to show him that. You need to stop him now.
well,
No, but
I can't help that I'm not.
Hey, no.
Stop it.
Staple it at the end.
Yeah.
All right.
214.
What do we get?
214.1.
214.1, right?
No, 214.1.
And what are my units? Meters, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, so my answer comes out to be
214 D's. There we go. That is a lot of D's. Got that.
so every time we do one of these, what's the first thing I should do? Draw the triangle. Oh my goodness. Draw a circle too if you need to. Oh, the previous one? Okay. Are you admiring my wonderful artwork here? Anyone want a one-spitting, gluten-free snickerdoodle? Wow. Okay. Here, how about this? Come on up. I will break it up into some pieces.
They
I
gave me
will
bad
take
news on
another
their
piece, mister.
Pancho, can I buy one?
Come on over here. I got 4 pieces.
That's the fourth piece of badasses.
It's like a
That's right.
If it's good, I'm gonna buy it.
I could have tackled everyone. I'm not Miller.
See, Regina went over there all nice and kind, and everyone else rushed.
I didn't rush. I walked.
You shoved. There were some elbows going.
I know for real.
Man.
I just went like that to one of them. Like,
There you go, Eli. President.
Oh man. Anyway, all right. So find the area of the triangular shaped field with the sides of that. Included angle between them is that. Round to the nearest square meter. So, what does included area angle mean? What does included angle mean?
It's included.
That is a mountain.
Is it misincluded or included?
It says it is included.
Oh, shoot.
And what that means is it's right here. The included angle means it's the angle between the two sides that I know. I know them.
pretty boring, mister.
Thank you.
Where'd you buy it from?
AJ's.
How much was this charge today?
Probably about 30.
$30? Shut up.
Yep.
30 million?
I just have to buy them by 100 though. All right, so now, can we find the area? Say yes.
Yes.
Now, there's a reason why I did it like this, and I still labeled it ABC. It just said it said two of the sides are this, and the included angle is this, right?
Yeah.
So what that means is that the included angle is in between. So I wanted to have those letters because all my area formulas all have ABC, right?
Yes.
And that's why I needed this. So I'm going to say that my area is equal to 1/2 249.1 times 238.6 times sine of 76.65 degrees. And we're calculating.
I was a little distracted, but
The answer is
28914.6.
So you're saying it's this?
Yeah. I didn't want to say 28 because I forgot 28,000 exists.
Okay.
Brains malfunctioning. I'm a robot like Mark Zuckerberg.
All right. Are we good? Okay. Are you good? Answer's D.
Nuts.
7. Okay, right here it says necessary round nearest degree, side lengths round to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so first step, draw the triangle.
What about a circle triangle?
A, B, C, 30 degrees, 7.53. Little b is 15.06. Now, let's see. What type of triangle do we have right here?
30, 60, 90.
Nope, try again.
Sides S.
There we go. So it's going to be
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
what's the word
He
again?
said ass is so funny.
What does it start with?
what is the word? It starts with ass.
No, the other one.
It ends with it.
Wait.
You were confused. It's a cosine.
Angle, side, side. Angle, side, side.
Ambiguous.
Ambiguous. Thank you. So, it is ambiguous, so I need to check to see if it's going to be 0, 1, or 2 triangles.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and start this off. So, it's going to be 7.53 over sine 30 is equal to 15.06 over sine of big B. So big B is equal to inverse sine of 15.06 sine of 30 over 7.53.
1.
Is the loneliest number there could ever be.
Wait, how did
Zero?
Oh,
2.
yeah, no.
Could be as bad as 1 when the loneliest number is the number as well.
Do it along this number.
Your mom is.
So you have to be confused.
What do we get for big B?
90.
90? You guys agree 90?
No.
I hear yes, I hear no.
No.
Yes? Okay, so if it's 90, that means my answer is?
Hey. I'm
Hey.
literally the only one doing work this.
Hey, do you know what? That's why I came over and gave you a cookie. I said thank you for participating. And you got to try the cookie first.
No
Yes.
one's doing anything.
Yeah. See, I'm telling you, I'm going to switch you guys all to gluten-free after those.
Hey, wait up. Go back. So you got the 90. Oh.
Yes, it's 90.
be A or C anyways.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. Continue.
Mister, I'm on a chlorophyll diet only.
Chlorophyll be moved.
Anyway, all right. Start off by drawing a triangle.
So you gotta.
All right. Big B 105. Little A is 298. Little B is 1351. Wow, that one's big.
What is piano for two? What is piano for the drum?
So, what do we have here? Angle, side, side. Angle, side, side. It is ambiguous, so we have to check it. So, let's go ahead and do the math. I need to solve for what? Say big A.
Big A.
Okay, so I'm going to have 1, 3, 5, 1 over sine of 105 is equal to 298 over sine of A. So A equals inverse sine of 298 times sine of 105 over 1351. So big A gives me.
Undefined.
So if it's undefined, that means
No such triangle.
there we go. No such triangle.
I'll show you the triangle.
Hey, wait, can you go back? Go
Does
back.
it exist?
It says 135, right?
It says it's B.
No, the bottom is 1351.
Number 8.
Yeah, and then the top is. Okay, I got 12.30.
Did I label it wrong? Big B, little b, big A, little a.
You know what you found?
Number 8 is B.
Remember,
8 is supposed to be B?
Yeah, it's supposed to be B.
Nope. It can't be.
Yeah. That's not the answer.
Okay, so let me show you why.
That's what I was confused.
Okay, let me show you why. Listen, answer keys could be wrong. I'm just not wrong. All right, so let me show you. No, let me show you. Let me show you, okay? So when I said that we understand triangles, right? You understand that this is 105 degrees, right? So that one has to be the largest, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. But,
Oh, okay. So that one's supposed to be the largest. Okay, so let's look to see what else we have. So
B is
that's supposed to be the
larger
largest
than
side. So according to this one right here, let me see, big C,
That one lined up right.
would it have to be, that would be a lot. Let me see.
It's either B or D.
Hold on,
No,
hold on.
it's not D at all.
oh, I put point.
It's not A.
You put point?
Yes.
Mr. Pacho, look at your answer.
No, I put point 13.
Inverse sine,
I put 13.51. That was my fault.
13.51?
Yeah, I put 13.51. Maybe I would have gotten it right if more people did the work.
You're right, you're right. Thank you, thank
Yeah,
you.
that was all my fault.
Okay, now, Narwhal owes everyone some candy right now.
Yeah, it's not
That's your
good.
mistake.
I'll give you some dust.
That's your mistake.
Okay, here we go.
You want some milk and dust?
Alright, because A comes out to be that, and that's the only one that it's going to work well out with, right?
Opens wide.
So, I apologize, all those people out in YouTube land. I have a couple of students from North that actually watch my video.
So it is B?
North,
It is B,
I
yes.
was right.
Yes, because the answer key's right.
Yep.
Okay,
Where's my candy?
I literally.
Narwhal, regurgitate it.
Hell no, I keep
Give him a
that.
gumbo. Yo, can I please be moved? So just give him a gumbo.
I know, right? I think I'm out of them.
Really?
Yeah, it broke too many teeth.
Oh.
Alright, so let's take a look at the next one. Alright, do you guys want to do this one again? It's the exact same thing that we've done the last three. Okay, save time. Okay, because already some people are taking a nap.
No, mister, I can do it really quick. Watch this, mister. Watch
Yes, go ahead. You can do it real quick, but will it be correct is what the question is.
Probably not.
Alternate. And a half.
So you did have one. She did have a pack.
No. It's no such.
No, not you. Him. Well, you did have a pack. Yeah. 9 is undefined.
9 is undefined. Thank
Yeah.
you. No such triangle. There we go.
See, you can't look at it from up here. That doesn't make sense.
But he doesn't have one in
Because how's it 105 and 1273 but B is 4373? What goes?
That's because you use those.
That's the only obtuse angle there is.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, good job. Okay, did you guys hear that? We actually had some people paying attention. Okay, if A is 105 in a triangle, can I have more than one obtuse angle?
No.
No. So that means that big A has to be the biggest side, right?
I was going to explain that first.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, no,
Okay.
I was.
All right. Thank you. Good job. Good
'Cause I
job.
was
Okay,
moving
you
on to
caught him
9.
slipping.
I
All right.
was moving on to 9 after.
We're on 10 now. Okay, so what would I use if I have all 3 sides?
Side, cosine.
Law of cosines. Side, law of cosine. Number 11. Now this one, do I have the included angle?
You don't know?
Draw it if you need to.
How do you know if it's included? Say it like you're
Left
right.
angle, side.
Draw it.
No.
You're out of B.
It's side angle, side.
Ah, I put another B.
This, side angle, side.
Draw it. Draw it. Draw it. So you keep asking me the same thing, and I say draw it. So if I have big C, which is right here, right?
Side angle, side.
And I have little a, which is over here, and I have little b, which is right here. You got SAS, right?
Yes.
Side angle side is what law?
Law sign.
Cosine.
Sign.
Law of cosine, right? So that's going to be a law of cosine. So let's put it in our values. So
What is a law sign?
it's law of cosine. All right, let's see. So big C was what? 112.8. A is 8.1 and 10.8. So law of cosine, that means the only thing I can solve for here is little c. So I'm going to have little c is equal to square root of, that's going to be 8.1 squared plus 10.8 squared minus 2 times 8.1 times 10.8 cosine of 112.8. There you go. So little c is a boot. It's a boot.
A boot to get solved in a minute.
15.8. This guy over here says 15.8. You guys agree?
Wrong. Wait, no, it's 14.8.
14.8.
Wait, hold on, wait.
That's not even one of my choices.
What is torn?
Can I get it? Wait, no,
What? I added a 2 to the top.
15.8.
That's 15.8.
It's not 15.8.
Wait, it got rid of my 2. What?
What?
It got rid of my 2.
Yeah.
Can I just dump this on your
15.8.
No, the answer.
I'm kind of using it, so.
Is it recording everything?
Yeah. So this is the mouse over here, remember?
Ah, right.
Okay. All right, 15.8.
Hey.
All right, do I need to do another one? Say now.
No.
Law of cosine again.
Same thing. Don't need to do it.
Why is it law of cosine? It is side. This one is law of cosine, side. So now, I will do this one because this one's slightly different, right?
You have to find a big angle.
We have to find, you want to find which one?
Angle.
The largest, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to go through and I'm going to draw it.
C.
A, B, C. So AB is 3, 2, 2. AC is 187. BC is 161. So I'm going to solve for C, big C. You always solve for the largest one here, right? So I'm going to have that big C is equal to inverse cosine. This is from the formula, remember? So 322 squared minus 161 squared minus 187 squared over negative 2 times 161 times 187. There you go.
There you go, too easy.
So that was the formula I was talking about.
Is that on our review sheet too?
Nope. Because I told you guys this is one that I made. I did the work for it. It's not on your reference sheet. You're not going to find this. You're not going to find it on the reference sheet.
Can we put it on there?
During the test, yes. So you got to try and memorize it long enough to actually put it on there for the test. It's kind of like you're like sitting there staring at your notes until the test, and when you get the test, you write down as much as you can real quick, and then start the test. Or like when you have those unit circled ones. Yeah. You're like, oh yeah, okay. Anyway, what do we get for big C? No calculation?
Wait, hold on.
135.3.
So big C, so it has to be
A or D?
D.
A or D. Doesn't matter yet. So it's A or D. So I know it's not this one. I know it's not that one. Okay, so what do you want to solve for next?
B.
Solve for B?
Yes.
Okay. Big B equals inverse cosine of, that's going to be 187 squared minus
Actually, I think you can figure it out which one
322
is which.
squared
now,
minus
so-
161 squared. Yes, you can. Give me 1 second. Negative 2 times 322 times 161.
It's
Oh,
A.
okay, so now, go ahead. How is it we can figure it out without?
By looking at the size of the angles and comparing the lengths.
Very good, size of the angle. So now, given this, that means that B, right here, big B has to be bigger than big A, right?
Yeah. No.
Big,
Yeah.
big B has to be bigger than big A, right?
Yeah.
So that means my answer over here has to be D. Very good. Or you could do the math.
But yeah, nobody wants to do all that work.
Yeah, I'm up here doing them all, so shh. All right. 14.
Two ships leave the harbor together, traveling on a course courses that have an angle of 125 degrees between them. If they each travel 548 miles, how far apart are they to the nearest mile? Oh, look at this. He gave us so much room to draw.
Okay, so this one right here is 125 degrees. Each travel 548. Okay, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to label it A, B, C because I like that. A, B, C. So, which one am I looking for here? Which one am I looking for here? Little a. So I'm going to use what law? Law of cosine to find little a. So little a equals, that's going to be law of cosine. That's going to be a square root of 548 squared plus 548 squared minus 2 times 548 times 548 times cosine of 125 degrees.
The haunted barman says 972.
972?
Which is C.
972? All right. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.
Deductive reasoning.